The stadium lights are glowing bright, millions gather for the night. Every dream begins to rise underneath the open skies. The crowd is singing loud and clear, the biggest moment of the year. Every nation brings its flame, everybody loves the game. The journey starts with hope and pride, with football as our guide.
The whistle blows, the match begins. Every player wants to win. The rhythm moves from side to side as the fans enjoy the ride. The passion burns in every heart, a brand new story starts. The energy is everywhere, a feeling everybody shares. The dream is waiting to unfold, a tale that will be told. The ball is flying through the air, excitement rises everywhere. The players move with speed and grace, determined in the race. Every pass can change the day, every move can find a way. The crowd reacts to every chance, together everybody chants. The atmosphere is full of fire, taking dreams higher.
Music travels overseas, different cultures side by side, united by their pride. The game belongs to everyone underneath the same sun. Every voice becomes a song that carries all along. The world becomes a family bound by unity.
The striker waits to make his run, the crowd knows what's to come. The defender tries to close the space but cannot stop the pace. The ball moves quickly through the line, everything is right on time. The keeper dives across the goal but cannot stop the roll. The net explodes with energy, a moment of history. Oh, hear them call. Oh, give your all. Oh, feel the sound. Football brings the world around. Goes, goes. Hear the crowd explode. Goes, goes. On every row. Goes, goes. Raise your hands tonight. We shine so bright.
The celebrations fill the air, joy and laughter everywhere. The players dance beneath the light, enjoying every sight. The supporters sing as one, knowing what has been done. The dream becomes reality for all the world to see. The memories will never fade. By champions made, the game continues with more pace. Another team begins the chase, the midfield battles for control. Everyone knows the goal, the passion grows with every play. Nobody looks away, the stadium begins to shake with every move they make. The atmosphere becomes alive as hope survives.
The rhythm echoes through the town, no one wants to slow down. Children playing in the streets, moving with the beat. Inspired by the stars they see, living their fantasy. One day they may wear the shirt, showing what they're worth. The future starts with one small dream and one great team.
The clock keeps moving through the game, yet nothing stays the same. Every minute brings suspense, every move intense. The tension builds from side to side, no place left to hide. The crowd waits for another score, always wanting more. The magic fills the atmosphere, the moment is here. The second goal arrives at last, the ball moves lightning fast. The striker sends it through the net, a goal they won't forget. The crowd erupts with endless noise, people jump with joy. The celebration fills the ground with an amazing sound. The players gather hand in hand across the land.
Watching every move, every player wants to prove that they belong among the best, giving more than the rest. Every challenge, every test pushes them to their best. The dream of glory shines ahead, by ambition led. The story keeps on moving fast, creating moments that last.
The fans continue singing loud, standing strong and proud. Every nation brings its voice, joining in the choice to celebrate this beautiful game. Beyond fortune or fame, the spirit grows from shore to shore, always asking more. Football builds a bridge so wide for all mankind.
The goalkeeper makes a save, showing he is brave. The crowd applauds the effort made. Respect is displayed, every player earns their place. Through courage in the race, the battle continues on until the final dawn. The story still has more to tell, and all is well.
The music and the football blend, creating something grand. A language everybody knows, no matter where one goes. The rhythm beats within the chest, bringing out the best of worlds. It's dancing to the sound of joy all around. A festival of dreams and light on this night.
Another chance, another run, another battle won. The players push beyond their fears through cheers and tears. The journey takes them to the edge, beyond every ledge. The dream remains alive and strong, carrying them along. The crowd remains right by their side with endless pride.
Match approaches its final stage. Every player turns the page. The stakes become so very high as time goes by. How continue standing tall, giving their all. The pressure grows with every play. Nobody looks up.